Hi everyone, today I want to share a new Stamp Camp to Go. This Stamp Camp to Go features the Jar of Flowers stamp set and coordinating paper punch. I think this is a really fun paper punch and stamp set collection. I love when there's a paper punch. Pretty much almost always buy it because they're so fast and easy, and you don't have to get out your die cutting machine, and it just creates really fun and cute cards really fast. And so I love this combination, and I really think these stamps are cute and fun. So I wanted to do a Stamp Camp to Go using this bundle, as that's what I would have done if we were meeting in person. I loved bringing kind of shaker cards and things like that to Stamp Camp, and the Jar of Flowers stamp set and paper punch has a matching little shaker dome for the mason jar, so you can put things in here, and I just think it's really cute. This is a great little product line. There is a coordinating stack of designer series paper that is meant to go with it. Some of the images are right out of the paper. I've used a ton of it already. We used this paper for my mystery card kits at my Facebook group last week, and I focused on this paper in my newsletter last week. And if you'd like to get a newsletter, you can sign up by going to my blog, and you'll see that there's a pop-up and it'll say sign up for my newsletter, and I focus on different things. Sometimes there's a card tutorial, sometimes there's a color challenge. I'll let you know what's coming up and what's on special. And last week we focused on these this collection. So these papers are really pretty. It's called Flowers for Every Season. As you can see, there's some poinsettias, and some people said, well, why isn't there a poinsettia that goes with the jar stamp set? And that's a good question, but there is in the beginner brochure, something you don't see in the annual catalog. There are a couple stamp sets in the beginner brochure, and one of them is called 4-Season Floral, and this is a great add-on to this. So if you love this Jar of Flowers stamp set like I do, you might want to grab this add-on. It's only $14, and it's really nice because you can put these single stems inside the jar, and that's really sweet look. Also, there's the poinsettia, like I was talking about, that matches the papers, and then of course this rose also matches the papers. So you've got an add-on stamp set that you can get. Plus, if you'll notice, the Jar of Flowers doesn't have any sentiments. There's just so many stamps in here that you don't have a lot of, there's no sentiments whatsoever. So a lot of us have sentiments in other stamp sets, so we can easily throw a sentiment on our card, but this one has some of your basics, your happy birthday, your thank you, and your for you. So you've got yourself covered if you throw on this add-on. So anyway, I think this is a really great addition to this. Now the Stamp Camp to Go is focusing on these two products, and if you purchase this bundle from me, I will send you a PDF of how to make these 5 cards. Now, some of you maybe are demonstrators, or you already have all these products that you've purchased before, and so you might want the PDF anyway. The PDF on its own is $5. If you purchase the bundle from me, you can get the PDF for free. Now also though, I've kind of stepped it up a bit. Some of you may like, in a Stamp Camp, how I pre-cut and do everything for you. So you don't have to own every single product. I can do this for you. And so if you buy the bundle, because you'll need that for your stamping, I will send, and your order comes to $75 or more, I will send you this card kit for free with the PDF. So you'll get everything you need to make these 5 cards, already cut and scored for you and ready to go, along with the PDF with instructions and photos on how to put them together. And so that is a way that you can make everything really simple and have a little fun little Stamp Camp to Go in your own home. So I'll also do a video on how to put these together so that you can stamp along with me if you want, and you can pretend that we're having a Stamp Camp. So we've got the Jar of Flowers bundle. Now to get the $75, this only comes to $36, maybe $36.50, not positive, somewhere around there. And you say, well, Beth, you said it was free with a $75 purchase. Well, I've got some suggestions on what you might want to get. For example, this beautiful paper. Now, it is all cut to make these 5 cards, but you might want to have some additional paper so that you can take these ideas and make additional cards. You might want to add on this 4-Season Floral stamp set, for example. And in your Stamp Camp to Go, you will get a shaker dome, but you might want more, so you can pick up a box of shaker domes. They were right here. Here they are. A box of shaker domes. There's 10 in a box, and so you might want to grab some of those. So it's really simple to get to $75. And you might want to pick up some of the new colors you don't have. Maybe a pack of the new in color markers so you can color in your flowers. That would be a great add-on, the markers. Let me show you quickly the cards. You will be making one of these. Now you'll notice I have sentiments on here, and that is because I've added them. They're from the 4 Season Floral. Now with Stampin' Up, we're not allowed to sell pre-stamped images in our kits. So you will just get this little banner piece here, and you'll have to add your own sentiment. And a lot of us have plenty of stamp sets that have little sentiments, so that should be easy for you to come across. But like I mentioned, the 4 Season Floral is a great add-on. But you might have a birthday or a thank you or get well, whatever you might have at home, to put right here on this little banner. And here I did it in white embossing, but this would also look super cute just stamped in a basic black ink. This is one of the cards. Then you're going to make 2 of this version, one as a shaker and one without, and you'll even get the little dome and the sunflower seeds in your Stamp Camp to Go. You'll make this one. I like to show different uses for the products. So here I didn't use any flowers at all. I used them as little lemonade, pink lemonade and regular lemonade jars, a little summertime hello, and this cute little lemon slice. So that'll be a Stamp Camp card. And then finally the 5th card is this one where we didn't use the jar at all. We just used the beautiful floral images. And I've used the straw piece, which maybe it's not a straw. Here it's a straw, here it's just a background decoration. So you would get everything you needed pre-cut and scored and ready to go for you to stamp on and assemble. You would just need to supply things like a black ink pad, some colors of your choice for coloring in the floral images, sentiment of your choice, and adhesives. So everything else is there, everything's cut, ready to go. And if you're buying this, of course you already have the images you need for the main card. And that is a Stamp Camp to Go. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and everything about how the different ways you can get the PDF or the pieces or the whole kit and caboodle will all be available on my blog, bestpapercuts.com. And you can click, there's a link to my blog up at the top of my channel here. It just has a little picture of a B for blogger, and you can click that and go straight to my blog and look up Stamp Camps to Go and see everything here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a fun time with Stamp Camps to Go. And if you have an item that you wish you saw in a Stamp Camp to Go, maybe you wish a Stamp Camp to Go included a technique or a certain card bundle, product bundle, let me know and I can make up a Stamp Camp to Go to fit those needs. Thanks. Bye.